Let's make some sardine and bacon yellow rice. Start off by adding some oil to your pot, then go ahead and put in your bacon and sardine. Mix everything up together, and then go ahead and season it up. Yes, people, go ahead and add on all of your seasoning. You can use any season of your preference. You do not have to use the same seasoning I use. Yes, people, it's gonna be so good, so amazing. You most definitely want to try this out. Now, let's go ahead and stir it up, mix it up. Yes, people, then go ahead and add some turmeric. Yes, people, nice and good. You're wonderful. Now, let's go ahead and put the rice into the pot, and then you're gonna go ahead and stir it up and mix up all the seasoning, combine everything on the rice just like this. Then go ahead and get some water and pour some water in to cook this rice down. Yes, people, nice and good and wonderful. If you want to see this full version of this video, it will be on my YouTube channel, and many more videos will be on my YouTube channel. Yes, people, nice and good. Now I went ahead and add some more seasoning to the pot. Yeah, look at my yellow rice, people. So good, so amazing. Look at that. You most definitely want to try this out. Until next time, like, comment, share, and most definitely follow on this video to see more awesome videos like these. And again, if you want to see these videos and many more videos, check out my YouTube channel. Until next time, I'm out of here.